Hello, welcome to my channel. The name still remains the same, Nana Y'ello Save Martin, the owner of edutech.com. Please, if today is your first time of watching my video, consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you click on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified anytime that I upload video on this channel. On this channel, we always bring educative videos that will enlighten you and encourage you to use your phone as an ATM machine. Using your phone to earn money online, it is simple as that, and you are other gadgets like laptop and the rest. Okay, so since I've taken upon myself to teach you how to make money online using your phone or your laptop, it is my duty to also teach you where you can keep your money safe. Your hard earning money, you can keep it safe and earn interest or profit from it. So in today's video, we'll be talking about Y'ello Savings by MTN. I'm sure most of you might have heard about Y'ello Savings before. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the benefits of Y'ello Savings. Y'ello Savings is brought to you by MTN and Fidelity Bank. This particular program allows you to save any amount of money that you want. Even 10 pesos, you can just save it. If you have just 10 pesos in your mobile money wallet, you can push it into your Y'ello Savings account. And with this one, the more you save, the more you earn interest or profit from it. Okay, from 1 cedi to 1,000 Ghana cedis, you'll be earning 5% interest from it yearly. And from 1,000 Ghana cedis to 10,000 Ghana cedis, you'll be earning 6% interest from it yearly. It is as simple as that. Any amount of money you can start with. Okay, you can also schedule this one, or you can make budget on it. So if you are a type of person who always earn in a day, you can manage or you can schedule this budget. You can ask them to deduct 10 cedis from your balance or your wallet always, every day, 10 cedis. Okay, you can decide to choose maybe 50 cedis, 20 cedis. They will just ask you, how much do you want us to deduct from your mobile money wallet every day? So you will decide maybe 5 cedis a day, 10 cedis a day, 20 cedis a day, 50 cedis a day. You get it? And it is as simple as that. It's very flexible, and withdrawal method is very flexible. The moment you request for withdrawal, about 5 minutes you will see the money in your mobile money wallet. And this one important thing about this thing that I love most is that you can be having maybe 1,000 Ghana cedis, any amount of money in your wallet, without that money reflecting in your mobile money wallet. So if someone steals your phone or rob you with your phone, when the person try to hack your account or break into your mobile money account, the person won't see anything, but you might be having money on your wallet resting on the Y'ello Saving platform. It is very simple. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can go by it, how you can register, how you can set your target. Maybe monthly deduct 1,000 Ghana cedis from my wallet, monthly deduct 50 cedis from my wallet, 500 cedis from my wallet, or you can make it daily. Okay, monthly, daily, weekly. So you decide. So without further ado, let's go straight onto my full screen and I will show you how you can go by it. Thank you. Alright guys, so this is my phone screen. I will come to my dialer and then click on it. Okay, so you enter mobile money USSD code. So *170#, we call it. Okay, so let's wait for it. So you move to option 5, which is financial services, and then you move to option 2, which is savings, and then you move to option 1, which is Y'ello Save. Okay, so we have deposit, we have withdrawal, we have check balance, we have savings plan. Let's move to savings plan. So here you set your budget. Okay, for me, let me just cancel it. Let me cancel my savings plan and then we do it again. Let me cancel it. Okay, so they are asking me to enter my Y'ello savings code. Okay, I've entered it and I've cancelled it. They will give me a notification very soon. So let me go there again. Okay, so you see they've given me notification. Okay, so let's go back again. Number 5, then move to number 2, which is savings, and then we move to number 1, which is Y'ello Save, and then we move to number 4, which is savings plan. Okay, then here number 1, create savings plan. Okay, so here they are asking you, do you want daily, weekly, or monthly? So let me go in for weekly, and then the amount of money that I'm willing to save every week. So let me go for, maybe let's make it 10 cedis and see. Let's make it 10 cedis every week. I'll just go back. Mine was 50 cedis, but for this tutorial sake, let's go to 10 cedis and then confirm and continue. Okay, so they are asking me to enter my Y'ello PIN. Please make sure your mobile money PIN code is different from your Y'ello savings PIN. Okay, all right, so they will give me a prompt. Okay, MTN has given me a prompt. Let me enter my PIN, and then I select yes. Okay, but okay, so okay, and then I go to 1. Okay, so it has been deducted. So guys, this is how to keep your money safe on Y'ello saving platform. Okay, so I've spoke about the benefit that you can get from this particular listing, and make sure your mobile money PIN code is different from your Y'ello savings code, because if someone gets to know your mobile money PIN code, that person might also know your Y'ello savings code. Okay, so make sure it is different. Okay, set 2 different codes for mobile money and the Y'ello savings to get yourself at a safer side. Thank you very much for always being with me. I'm sure this video has helped you a lot. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you click on the bell notification icon, like the video, share, and also you can bring any question in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. Okay, thank you very much. Until we meet again, stay blessed.